This is Wagoner attorney Stuart Ericson. We're going to talk about plea bargains today. A plea bargain is where the definition of it kind of is you're charged with a crime. A plea bargain is where the district attorney's office, again, they are in control of the plea bargain. It's not a judge, and it's certainly not the defense. The district attorney's office, through their assistant DA, says, hey, basically the deal is this, the plea offer is this, and it can be, a probationary sentence or prison. I mean, the deal may be, hey, if you plead guilty, we'll give you 10 years. This sentence carries life. We review the case, 10 years is the offer. Another case that may be 3 years probation. And it may be probation, a deferred, where you can get it later wiped off and expunged off your record, or a 3-year suspended conviction, which is a conviction, and all of that. So the plea bargain is where the district attorney, makes an offer to you. Now, most cases are settled by plea bargain. Not every case goes to trial. They're expensive. They're time consuming. Now you have a right to a jury trial, and I've done many jury trials. So jury trials are very important. But plea bargains offer a certainty. Sometimes people think, I don't know what a jury would do. They could convict me and send me to prison for a long time. I've got an offer here of probation. I'm not happy. I don't like it. I'm not going to like being on probation. But by me taking that deal, prison is off the table. And of course, the exception is if you violate your probation, then they can maybe try to send you to prison. So plea bargains are a big thing. Sometimes they start high, and then as your defense attorney, I'd go, give me a break. That's a ridiculous plea bargain offer. How about you offer this? And then sometimes there's a meeting in the middle. And many times, the DA's office will come down to a certain level, and as your defense attorney, I know that's it. Now, a lot of times my clients will always want something better and better and better and better. And I tell them, at some point, this is just the low as it's going to be. Like, they're not going to do any better. So now the decision comes, do you take that deal or fight your case? Now, fighting your case means going to jury trial and all that entails. So plea bargains are an important part. Some defense attorneys I know kind of sometimes even browbeat their clients, like, you'd be an idiot not to take this. You have to take this because, of course, it kind of resolves the case. Fill out paperwork and you enter your plea. But I handle it right. It's your decision. It's the client's decision whether or not to take a plea bargain. You'll get all my advice, all my experience, and all my advice on whether it's a good deal or a bad deal, what your other options are. But it's up to you about whether or not to take a plea bargain. So if you have questions about that, reach out to me, WagonerLawyer.com, Stuart Ericson. Thanks.